To correctly fix a PayPal negative balance, it is essential to understand the concept and the steps involved in resolving the issue. A negative balance on PayPal occurs when the amount of money you owe exceeds the amount of money in your account. This can happen due to various reasons such as a chargeback, a failed payment, or an incorrect transaction. The first step is to log into your PayPal account and navigate to the summary page. Here, you will see the current balance, including any negative amount. Check the transaction history to identify the cause of the negative balance. Look for any pending or disputed transactions that may be contributing to the issue. Next, you need to add funds to your PayPal account to cover the negative balance. You can do this by linking a bank account, credit card, or debit card to your PayPal account. Once you have added a payment method, you can transfer funds from the linked account to your PayPal account. Make sure to add sufficient funds to cover the negative balance and any associated fees. After adding funds, PayPal will automatically apply the payment to the negative balance. You can also contact PayPal customer support to request assistance with resolving the issue. They can provide guidance on the best course of action and help you to resolve the negative balance. To avoid a negative balance in the future, it is crucial to monitor your account regularly and ensure that you have sufficient funds to cover any transactions. You can also set up notifications to alert you when your balance falls below a certain threshold. Additionally, make sure to keep your payment information up to date and verify your account to prevent any issues with transactions. In conclusion, fixing a PayPal negative balance requires understanding the cause of the issue, adding funds to your account, and taking steps to prevent it from happening again in the future. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the issue quickly and efficiently, and avoid any potential problems with your PayPal account.